Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix your Hogwarts Legacy not launching. Let's begin. First, I want you to open your Epic Games Store. This is most likely where you got your Hogwarts Legacy from. So Epic Games. And don't worry, these steps will be the same for Steam also. Now, first, I want you to go to your library once you open Epic Games. Scroll down until you find the Hogwarts Legacy. Click on the three dots and then choose manage. First, I want you to verify the files. Just click on it. Same for Steam. Go and click on Hogwarts Legacy and verify your game files. All right. This might take a few minutes, but once done, then we can easily proceed to step number two. Over here, installation, just click on this folder icon over here and then it will open up the file location. Select Hogwarts Legacy, right click, Properties, Compatibility, and then select these three options. Run this program in compatibility mode 4, disable full screen optimizations, run this program as the admin. Click on Apply, OK, and you're done with step number 2. Now, lastly, on the same folder, click on the path file over here, copy it, and then under your Windows Start button, look for Graphics Settings. And then click on Browse. For Windows 11, you can click on Add or Search, all right? Click on it, and then you can easily paste the path folder that you just copied earlier. Then just press enter on your keyboard. And then this will show up on your screen. Select Hogwarts Legacy, click add, and it will show up right over here. Right? Then choose Hogwarts Legacy, options, and then make sure to set this to high performance. Don't forget to hit save. And that's it. By following all of these steps, you can reassure that your Hogwarts Legacy will now be optimized and ready to play. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.